All right, so we're gonna talk about hobby farms a little bit here. We're at our farm. We are just coming out of wintertime, and there's some considerations. There's the rooster. And that keeps that water from freezing. That's super important. Super important in the wintertime to have that, or everything freezes and you won't get water to your animals. He doesn't want none today. There we go, okay. This is Hank. If I don't pick Hank up, he'll fight us the entire time. All right, so the Coeur d'Alene area has tons of dog parks. It's a super dog-friendly area to live. So we get this question a lot. People ask about veterinary services up here. There are a ton. So I'm just gonna give you the one that I use and the one that John uses. Even the dogs in North Idaho cold plunge. So this water temp, this is the Spokane River right here on my side. The water temp right now is about 39 degrees. It's still really chilly out here, even though it's the beginning of April. All right, we're at Paws and Brews right here on Celtice Way in Post Falls. This place is super cool. It's the first time I've been here. So they've got a lot going on here. What do you say, Hank? Yeah, put me down.